Nice to be here. My name's Michael Scuderi. I'm the Managing Director for Chemical House. We're a small batch manufacturer based on the Gold Coast in Australia. We've been using Odoo now since 2016 and having a great time. Well, I mean, we'd already implemented at the time, but having somebody to support us, I guess that was something we didn't understand at the start of how critical it was to have the right partner. We were so focused on the software. I think the real key to critical criteria for success is not just picking the right software, but it's picking the right partner. At the time we picked the right software, but we didn't have the right partner. And then once we switched to you guys, like it's been so, I wouldn't say effortless, but much smoother sailing. Whenever we have something go down or we want to add a module or we want to add a customization, it's been quite easy to interact. We would have been dealing with a partner in a different city, even if they'd been Australian. So dealing with you guys in Poland is, it's no different to dealing with somebody that's in another suburb. Like it's been quite painless and always been very affordable or good value for money. Like I got no problem with spending money. I just hate wasting it. So
we have around 9 hours difference between our countries, and is it a problem?
It hasn't been, no. When we've had major upgrades or pushing migrations through, you guys have always staffed to be available during the time when it was going through on our side. So that's the critical path, is having you available when we need you. But then most of the other times, like for development, it doesn't really matter. As long as we've got that constant communication flow, it works no matter where you are in the world. Perfect. It's been a great relationship. I think you guys were 5 or 6 people in the office, and what are you now, like 85 people?
Yeah, we're 85, and we focused only on Odoo. So we do our best to just focus on this technology and to give this product and quality to our clients.
Awesome.
Okay, thanks and see you.
Thanks for your time.